Hello and welcome to a demo of Google's Android on Mistral's OMAP 3 EVM. This is the first implementation of Android on the OMAP 3 processor. The OMAP 3 EVM is based on TI's media application processor OMAP 3530. It's a dual-core processor with ARM's Cortex-A8 core and TI's C64X DSP core. Mistral has brought up the Android framework on OMAP 3 EVM. In this demo, we will showcase some of the interesting features of Android and their performance on the OMAP 3530's ARM Cortex core. To start with, we will boot Android on the OMAP 3 EVM. As you can see, the boot up takes about 50 seconds to a minute. Mistral has used the OMAP 3530's capability to boot out of an SDMMC memory card by placing the entire Linux firmware and the Android application framework on an SDMMC card. This means that even if nothing is flashed on the OMAP 3 EVM, one can just plug in an SDMMC card from Mistral and have Android running on it. Once Linux is loaded, the Android framework is automatically launched. You are now viewing the initial Android screen. By default, the device is in a locked state. To unlock the main screen, we press the menu key. Mistral has modified the default Android kernel to map some of the buttons of the keypad on the EVM to function as required by Android. So we press the switch S15 on the keypad to unlock the screen. Once unlocked, the default wallpaper and desktop of Android appears on the screen. The gesture feature in Android allows commonly used hand and finger moves like finger swipe, pinch, flick, etc. to be recognized and accepted by the touchscreen display. As seen here, the finger swipe can be used to view the multiple desktops of Android. The application launcher can be brought up by dragging it from the bottom of the screen. There are some inbuilt demos in Android which we will now view. This is the graphics demo. The finger flick gesture is demonstrated here. The menu scrolls in the direction of the flick and it scrolls faster when a user flicks faster. Android supports OpenGL 1.0 for embedded systems. Some of these demos show this capability. This is the GL surface view. The same data is represented in different graphical forms in the cube view and the translucent GL surface view. The translucent view gives an overlay of the surface view with the menus visible in the background. As you can see in these demos, the rendering of the 3D graphics is very smooth and without any breaks. This is because of the powerful ARM Cortex core on the OMAP 3530. The performance will be further enhanced once the OpenGL 3D graphics hardware accelerator core of the OMAP 3530 is enabled. That was the OpenGL demo on the EVM. Let's now move back to the application menu for the next application demo. That's the browser. To choose the browser, click on the browser icon on the screen. The EVM has a 100 Mbps Ethernet controller. When the browser is launched, it takes you to the default Google homepage. Let's go to the bookmarks and select a web page. You can scroll up and down, left and right, zoom in and zoom out, and select a link which will take you to the next page. That's a demo of the web browsing capability on the Android-enabled EVM. Let's now move to the map application. Using the menu key, we can select one of the 4 map modes. We'll first select the street view. Once selected, the application searches for a street view supported area on the map. This is an area where street view is supported. Clicking on the icon will show us the street view screen. We can step forward and backward to get different views of the location. Let's use the map mode menu to switch the view to satellite view. The satellite view takes a couple of seconds to load as the device is fetching data from the Google servers. You can zoom in and zoom out by checking the zoom icon at the bottom of the screen. That's a quick preview of Android on the OMAP 3 EVM. To close the system, we need a clean exit mode since we are running off a file system on the SDMMC card. To enable this, Mistral has written a simple application and included it in the default Android framework. We can invoke the exit application by tapping on this icon. That's the end of the Android demo on the OMAP 3 EVM. Mistral has the expertise to build products around TI's OMAP processor family and Google's Android framework. For more information, please contact us at usa@mistralsolutions.com. Thank you.